friends, for those who don't know me, I am twirling.through Bookstagrammer and the link for my Insta page is given in the description box. And for those who know me, hello friends, I am twirling.through. Thanks for showing so much of love to my page. And today I am here again with my new video. If you like the content, do subscribe, like and comment. So being a Bookstagrammer, like when I started my page initially, I faced too much of difficulty in clicking the pictures of the books, because what a Bookstagrammer is going to post in the feed, obviously books. So while I clicked the books, I was not satisfied with the result of my pictures, the quality, the props I was using, and I experimented a lot, and then I reached into a conclusion and I got 5 basic hacks for making the Bookstagram page look like very different, unique and stand out. So in this video we are going to discuss about the basic hacks for making your Bookstagram page look beautiful and very attractive. So without wasting much of the time, let's get into the video. So the first thing about clicking a picture is like light. I personally felt that whenever I clicked a picture in natural light, like sunlight, the pictures were too beautiful. Without any effort, the pictures came out like amazing. And if you could use some natural scenery like flowers, trees, plants, rivers, hills, all these things, they are going to add on to your picture and your picture will look too beautiful without investing anything. But we all are not lucky that we are going to stay in a place where there is like beautiful scenery, where mountains and hills are there. So like for those kind of people, for like people like me who are staying in a place where we don't have these beautiful natural scenes and all, we can use some like artificial props. So like I'm going to show you few things which I'm using regularly, like some indoor plants are there which you can use. Then we have got some these kind of small plants which are very cute, and you can get all these plants like from online, like from Amazon and all, and the link for the same I have given in my description box. Some artificial flowers, leaves, flowers, all these things, and these things are available everywhere and very easily, and you can buy them and they are not that expensive also. So you can use these props. And then if you like, what I exactly do is like whenever I go for a trip or something like that, I keep my books, and whenever I get a chance I just click a picture. So you can also do the same thing, like keep the books with you, and when you see something beautiful, something like very colorful, some garden or some park, put the book and click the picture without bothering what people might think. So the second thing is like how to use light, different kind of light to make your picture look beautiful. So what I started with is like candles, beautiful candles, the candles which we are using, like every time everybody has got candles, and these candles are available easily, and again the link for the same is given in my description box, you can check them out. Some lights, like these are known as fairy lights, and some these kind of lights, these are known as Christmas lights. I have purchased all these things online, so you can also like buy these things, and these are not very expensive and they will make your picture look very beautiful. But while clicking the picture, using the lights, make sure that your picture is not blurred, because it's really difficult to maintain the focus and balance out the light and the picture of the book. What is our main aim? Our main aim is to highlight the book. So the title of the book, the author, everything should be clear by clicking the picture using these lights. So after like 2 or 3 clicks, you will come to know how to click the picture, and then it will be very easy for you to click the picture. And you know, these lights are like something, you don't need any other prop while using these lights. They itself, they make the picture look very beautiful. Okay, third thing which I follow is like theme based. Like if I'm reading some book which is like proper, which has got some proper theme, I can use like prop. I use the prop with related to that theme. Suppose I'm reading some fantasy, then I can use some sword, I can use some like crown, or some different chess, these things, and all these kind of things to make your picture look beautiful. And for if your theme is like women centric, you can use perfumes. Everybody has got clutches, beautiful clutches you can use. So these things without any investment make your picture look very, very beautiful. And if you have got nothing, no theme, nothing, go for very general kind of props. Like I've got some, like I use headphones, I use glasses, you know, these glasses I can use, like many times, like I use colorful pens also. I've got these pens because I do a little bit of sketching also, so I've got few pens of these kind, and these things also I use. So without, like, you don't have to like go and buy, you will get all these things in your surrounding only, and you can use these things as props. And one more thing which I would like to mention is, like, don't use too many of props, because that shift the focus from book to the props. And always remember that being a bookstagrammer, our focus is what? Book. We should always make this a point that the book is being highlighted, not the picture. We are not clicking the picture to look beautiful. We are clicking the picture to highlight the book. The book should look beautiful. Okay. Then I'll come to second thing, like fourth thing, which is basically how to, like, what kind of backdrop you have to use. This is something which I have struggled a lot, because I don't have any such spot in my place like where I could keep my book and I can click the picture. So like while struggling, I just found that I can use different kind of like stoles, then like these kind of your dresses. You can use some denim jackets, you can use woolens, you can use some beautiful colorful sari like this, you can use some dupatta like this, you can use colorful tie, all these things as like accessory and as a background while clicking the picture. Just put the book on that dupatta or sari and click the picture, but make sure that when the backdrop is dark, the book should be light in color, and vice versa. Okay. Then the last and the most important thing is fifth hack is how to edit the picture. How to edit, how to make it look beautiful. Editing is one of the most important part, and which you have to do before posting the picture. Try to make the picture vibrant, increase the sharpness, and make sure that the title of the book is clear, the name of the author is clear, and the cover of the book is looking beautiful. Okay, and I'm not going in detail about the editing part, because there are too many videos available on YouTube for editing, and in case you want to know something specific, just put the recommendation in the comment section. I'll come up with the ideas, with the options of like how to edit the picture. I'll come up with that. This is all about this video, and thank you so much for being patient and watching my video. Thank you for now, and very soon I'll be back with a new video. If you have got any kind of recommendation, please do post in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.